Good morning. In this Watch It, we are going to be looking at math and programming. Now that we know how to convert and cast what our users give us as input, we can take that and turn it into computations. To do math expressions, you use math operators. Now the operators are special tokens that represent computations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponents, okay? The values the operator works on are called operands. So 3 plus 2, the 3 and the 2 are the operand. The plus sign would be your operator. Now when a variable name appears in the place of an operand, it is replaced with the value that it refers to before the operation is performed. The variable the value is being placed into is always on the left side of the expression. So to make that a little clearer, because I'm sure it's clear as mud right now, we are going to scroll down and look at these examples. We have minutes equals 645. Hours equals minutes divided by 60. So when I said the variable is replaced with the value, right here is an example of that. Minutes is 645. So hours equals minutes, which is now going to be 645 divided by 60. And that will give us the number of hours that 645 minutes would be equal to. So if we look down, I've created these variables called 1, 2, 3, and I'm placing the value 5, 7, 4 into there. Now, always the variable name is on the left side of the equal sign, and the value that you're placing in there is on the right side. So total is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3. What that's going to do is add up the three values, 5, 7, and 4, and then place that into total. Here we have 4 equals 10, 5 equals 2. So product equals 4 times 5. So that would be 10 times 2. And the answer would be placed into product. I'm going to scroll down here. These are all the math operators that we will be using. We have the plus, minus, multiplication. This is division. This is floor division, and we'll talk more about that in the next section. Modulus and exponents. And each of these we're going to go over in the next section a little bit more in depth. We're going to actually do examples of them. Now, just like in regular math that you do pen and paper, in coding, you have to follow the order of precedence. So remember the little catchphrase, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So P is for your parentheses. You always do your parentheses first. Excuse is exponentials. My dear Aunt Sally would be now the negation is also in there, but it's not in that little catchphrase. Multiplication, division, modulus, and then you have your addition and subtraction last. Now, in the next section, as I said, we are going to go over doing some math calculations, but make sure that you understand the order of precedence and that you understand what an operator and an operand is.